In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy from one Miro board to another Miro board. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply organizing your thoughts, this skill will make your workflow much smoother and efficient. So let's dive in and learn how you can easily transfer elements from one board to another. To start off, you'll want to navigate to your Miro dashboard where all your boards are displayed. This is essentially your central hub, and from here you can access any board you've created or been a part of. Finding your boards is as simple as logging into Miro and heading straight to this dashboard. Once on the dashboard, locate the board you want to copy from and give it a click. This will open up the board in full view. It's important to note that all the boards you have access to are arranged neatly on the dashboard for your convenience, so finding the right one should be straightforward. Now, with the board open in front of you, it's time to decide what you want to copy. This could be anything from sticky notes, text boxes, images, or drawn elements. To select the content, simply click on the specific item, or if there are multiple elements, you might want to click and drag around the items to highlight them all at once. Highlighting can be particularly useful if you're dealing with groups of elements that you want to keep together. Once your items are selected, look for the three dots icon. This icon represents additional options related to the object you've selected. Clicking on it should reveal a menu. Think of it as a toolbox with multiple choices. From this menu, select the Copy option. Alternatively, for those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can just press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, which might save you a few seconds if you're used to using shortcuts. Next, head back to your Miro dashboard to open the second board, the one where you intend to paste your content. It's just like opening the first board, a simple click from the dashboard. Navigate to where you'd like to place your copied content. The beauty of Miro is its flexibility, so don't worry if you need to paste elements in different areas. You can always move them around afterward. Finally, to paste your copied items, you can either use the Paste option from the menu by right-clicking on your mouse, or again employ the handy keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Your content should appear on the new board exactly as you copied it, ready for further customization or use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to copy elements from one Miro board and paste them into another. This method allows for what is seamless transfer of information and ideas, making collaboration and personal organization on Miro even more powerful. Happy Miroing, and I hope this helps you streamline your creative processes.